some gompa here. Wow! Another beautiful monastery here. Look at that. You've got big landslides every now and again. But you need ride? Come. What's that? It's not a Buddha. Oh yeah, it's a Sikh temple. Wow, it's beautiful. White with the yellow lighting. Bye bye, tassidule. Bye bye, thank you so much for everything. Take care, bye bye. Okay guys, it's a sad. Put a sticker on the bike. A bit sad right now to leave this heavenly place, but everything comes to an end, guys, as usual. And now we are riding towards Gantok, capital of Sikkim. Get the permits I need, and we're gonna go again to the mighty Himalayas, guys. Let's go, chalo chale. That cool gompa here. Wow! Check that out. It's amazing. What a beautiful building. But even better than the building, at least for me, rider, is the road. Oh my god, guys, the road is unreal. Well, you've got a few landslides, as you can see on the side, so you don't have to go too crazy, but it's hard not to go crazy because them curves are definitely sexier than Kim Kardashian's. Well, actually, Kim's curves are absolutely fake and horrendous, so it's not hard to be sexier than them, but you get my point. Look at that! Rider's heaven. Oh man, I miss that in I miss riding roads in India, like quality roads like that. Unfortunately, Nepal didn't have that to offer. Only once, I think, in 7 weeks I had really good quality road, which is not enough, unfortunately. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, you can't go too fast though. You saw them rocks on the side. Oh man. With the forest on the left, and the mountains, the view on my right. Woo! Oh, oh, oh! You've got big landslides every now and again, but check the Kanchenjunga mountain range there. Check that out. You can't see much actually from here, but I mean I can, but the GoPro isn't that good. Here we might be able to see it. Yeah, check that out. How crazy is that? And the summit, I don't know which one it is, but yeah, 8,550 meters, guys. Crazy. Okay, let's get going. That's so cool, like flowers everywhere. There's heaps of construction ongoing here. Oh man, those little villages are so peaceful, eh? Well, actually, this is not even a small village. Like, this is Namche. The town is up, just up the hill. The bike is happy, I can tell you. She wants to go. Well, at the end of the day, the Scrambler is a flat tracker, so She loved them curbs, especially on quality roads like that. Man! Bro, what an amazing ride. Oh yeah, something also that I that I fucking love is that I don't have any bags. I don't have any bags because Chachu, Mr. Sherpa, he took my bags because he was also going to Gantok today. So happy days. I feel so much free, like. Oh man. Riderhood. Another beautiful monastery here. Look at that. Whoa. Ah, the school uniform here is full on, you know, with the socks all the way up. Oh, dude, I could ride for 13 hours on a road like that. So many flowers in Sikkim. I love it. Plants in general. Everybody is having like flowers and plants on the balcony and window and stuff. Whoa! I love the shadow on the ground. The sun is right behind me. Namaste. You need ride? Come. Okay, you are going home? Oh. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. What's your name? Jintun Dama. Titeng. Okay. Okay. You can hold me if you want. Okay. You are going. Your home is on this road. Okay, perfect. I've got a hitchhiker with me. I come from France. France. So I'm gonna take it easy with him because he doesn't. First of all, he doesn't have a helmet, and he's half my age. So he's definitely too young to die. There's no age, there's no good age to die, but 15 is definitely not one. Oh, what's that? Sikkim, where nature smiles. What is this place? Okay. What is the city here? You see the city? Rampur city. Oh, okay. It's big city, yeah?
Big city.
Okay. Oh, what is the river name? Tiska River, eh? Okay, yeah. It's the same river than the other day. Ah, the road is amazing. Through the forests. Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you. Take care, Deepen. All the best, man. Bye-bye. Thank you, man. Ah, man, it's the first time I take I didn't realize it was gonna be for so long. He stayed on the back with me, on the bike with me for a good 25 minutes. I was 15 kilometers away from where I picked him up. Oh, that's good. I hope you had a good time. Check that out. Whoa, wow, it's a lot of buildings, massive bridge, and Tikta river. I forgot, man. I reckon I smoked so much. I smoked too much weed when I was in Himachal. Don't smoke too much, guys. That's gonna affect your short-term memory like it does for me. So I'm just turning around because there is a... What's that? It's not a Buddha. It's oh wow. That's nice. Let me ask. Namaste. Namaste. Sir, what is this?
Your god?
Okay. Which god? Okay, Hindu, eh? Hindu. Sibji. Sibji. Wow, it's a beautiful statue, eh? Very nice. Okay. What is the city here?
Rangpur.
Oh yeah, Rangpur. That's it. That's what the kid told me.
This is cafe.
Yeah. Good cafe, eh? Good view. Okay. Okay, let's take a quick break. Thank you, Baijan. Yeah, that looks like a nice one. Let's take a quick break here, guys. Looks fancy. Looks fancy. Okay, let's go and check out the view from upstairs. Hello, namaste. Oh yeah, you have a very nice view on the river. Awesome. That's nice. And the god as well. Let's take a seat here. Enjoy a quick coffee break. Can I have coffee?
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, the price are quite fancy too. Actually, I might have a lassi. You have lassi?
Yes, sir, I have lassi.
Okay, I'll have one lassi, please.
Sweet one.
Yeah, sweet one, please. Thank you so much. The price are matching the view on the Hindu god and the river. Compared to, remember that place I was with Vishal in Ravingla, where the coffee was 10 rupees and now it's like 13 times more expensive. But that's how it is, eh? You pay for the surroundings, right? Oh guys, what a ride anyway. I hope you enjoyed the view. I still have roughly an hour to Gantok. It's gonna be night quite soon. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you much more than what I did, but yeah, amazing ride, really loved it. Yeah, I'll see you in Gantok anyway. It had been a while since I saw a Pizza Hut. We made it to Gantok. I mean, I think we are still in the outskirts, but yeah, it seems to be really a city like built in the hills. Yeah, it's packed as you can see. There's loads of tourists. There's still some lights hanging off the buildings, some remaining of Diwali. It was a beautiful ride. The second part actually, I didn't show you much obviously because it was night, but the road wasn't good anyway. It was very dusty. It was loads of trucks and stuff. Actually, let me clean my lens. Yeah, happy to be here in Sikkim capital. But in a couple of days, guys, we will head straight towards the northern areas of Sikkim, and that's gonna be cold as hell. I was looking I was taking a look at the temperatures at the lake I want to go to, and it's like -10 and stuff, so that'll be on the bike. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, guys, but fuck it, we are riders, so I'll go on a bike. Man, check that out. Station Gurdwara. Oh yeah, it's a Sikh temple. Wow, it's beautiful, white with the yellow lighting. And then what's that? Oh, it's a military zone. Oh, and wow, man, I've got to come and check that place out when I get a chance. Something I noticed already, there are heaps of bridges like that. Oh, what is that building? Oh, wow. Yeah, there are heaps of bridges to facilitate pedestrian. Check that out, guys. I'm just behind a army truck, and above me it's all bamboos. It's pretty cool, huh? As long as it doesn't fall on me. Man, if I were a panda, I would be in paradise right now. Okay guys, so I made it to my hotel safe and sound. Super nice ride, as you saw. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm very lucky. You see behind me, I've got once again I have a nice, very spacious room, and same thing, meal included, 1300. Mr. Sherpa from the Himalaya homestay just hooked me up. I think it's someone from his family, I think his cousin or something. I'm literally a couple of kilometers away from downtown, so very good location. Tomorrow I'll go to Gantok to make the permit, as I told you, to go to northern Sikkim and freeze my ass up there. I can't wait for it, guys. It's going to be something like I did in Nepal with the Tilicho Lake, or it's going to be good. It's going to be tough, but I think I have a good feeling it's going to be amazing. So looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon, guys. Fear Milling here.